Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can upgrade your barn in Township. So let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game created by Playrix, which is very reminiscent of the old Facebook game known as Farmville. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to describe this game. And one of the buildings or structures that you have in this game is the barn. This is where most goods are stored, such as factory products and construction materials. There are other structures such as the warehouse, where mining tools, ores, and clay are stored. The warehouse is at the mine, by the way. And currencies are certain vendor items that don't need a storage space. And yeah, pretty much the only thing you need a barn for is factory products and construction materials. Now, you can upgrade this building whenever you would like, no matter of what level you are. You only need to have a certain amount of upgrade materials. If we go down here, yeah, by the way, I'm using the Township Wiki article, which is just a bit more practical for me since my recording software on my phone is a bit problematic, so just bear with me on this. And yeah, once you have enough resources, you will have the option to upgrade your barn by this upgrade icon here, which you can see I'm circling it with my mouse. And to upgrade your barns, for the first upgrade you need one hammer, nail, and paint, and each next is pretty much the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just increments by 1 for each upgrade, and you do get certain larger bonuses at certain levels, such as level 3, level 39, level 59, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.